Welcome. Today I am with TCL Active 500 True Wireless Sound earbuds, and I will show you how you can use gestures by tapping on the buttons that we have in this place. So at the first, when you want to play or pause music, we can simply tap once on the left or the right earbud. Take a look. And the same when you make it with the left one. So we can play or pause music on the left and the right by tapping once. The next option, we can volume up or volume down. We can volume up by using right earbud. So at the first we have to play music, and then when we double press, as you can see, we can change the volume. And if you want to volume down, just press on the left also 2 times. As you can see, it changed volume media. So there's another feature. You have to remember on the left to volume down, on the right to volume up. Just like that. Okay, and the next option, if you want to go for another song or if you want to go for the previous song, if you want to get the next song, you have to click and hold for the 2 seconds the right one. As you can see, our song has changed, and if you want to go back for the previous song, on the left, also for the 2 seconds. And as you can see, our songs has changed. Then another feature, we can open the Google Assistant. We can press 3 times on the left or the right. So let's make it right now. As you can see, my Google Assistant pops here. And the same for the right one. Just tap on it 3 times. Okay, let's skip that. Let's pause music. We can also answer calls. When you are on the call, you can press left or the right once, and you will be receive call. If you want to reject call, you have to press for the 2 seconds left or the one. And also you can move them manually to the pairing mode by using on the right one this button. So we have to hold it for the 5 seconds. Take a look. And right now we can hear the notification that they are in the pairing mode, and you can also spot it when this indicator is blinking on the white and the blue color. And basically that's all gestures that you can use. So as I said, we can play or pause music, we can volume up, volume down, we can go for the previous or next song. You can also open Google Assistant, move them to the pairing mode manually, and you can also reject calls, for example, or answer calls. So that's how we can use gestures on the TCL Active 500 True Wireless Speaker, True Wireless Sound. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.